Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a returning stitchie, welcome back. Happy August 1st. I cannot believe it's August already. Okay, I have a lot of things to go over for this video. It is going to look a little different. I very much need you guys to listen to all of the information. Oh my gosh, this camera stand. Guys, I've done this video already 3 or 4 times. And I've said in every one of them, you're going to see me fist fight this camera stand by the end of the video. And I mean it. Okay. So, we have the regular full spectrum box. We have the birthstone box. And then I have a special release of 2 color packs that I'm going to show you. And give you all the information about everything. But I need you guys to please listen. Because I keep having some issues every month, and so listen for all the information. I'm going to cover everything. Okay, so payments are due by the 8th of the month unless you have otherwise spoken to me. You can pay by PayPal, Zelle, Cashapp. It is $25 for the first hank and $20 for every hank thereafter. Shipping I cover. Unless you want to toss shipping on top of it, I would be very grateful. It does help those of you who do that. I appreciate it. For the full spectrum box, you can order just that one, but for the birthstone box, you can order any previous month of birthstone box up to and including this month. So if you're just now starting, you can start back in January and you can order everything. And you will be able to do that for the entire year. December will be the last month that you can order, you know, the whole year. Because then January, I'm going to start a new one. Okay. They're open now. Payments are due by the 8th until we've otherwise spoken. I ship between the 15th and the 20th. I always ship between the 15th and the 20th. It does not go out earlier. It does not go out later. I understand shipping times are taking longer right now for some of you, not for everybody. That is because of all the, you know, I've talked about this most months, but there are delays in a lot of different hubs because systems are being redone, buildings are being redone, or both, and it causes delays. There is nothing I can do about that. I am trying to ship out earlier, but I only guarantee between the 15th and the 20th. So I am trying to move it earlier. So I do understand that things are taking longer to get there. I'm sorry, it's out of my control. When you order, I need your name, your address, which box you're ordering, and which weight you're ordering. So usually people do FS for full spectrum, BS for birthstone. And then you need to indicate whether it's fingering, worsted, DK, an amalgamation of all of them, whatever. You know, whatever the mix is, you can order both. But I need that written there. And I need your address because otherwise I'm having to try to hunt you down. And some people I don't have any way to communicate with. And so the order just sits here and I don't know how to dye it. As I don't know what weight or which box. Or your order's done and it sits here not shipped to you because I don't have a way to ship it to you and I don't have a way to get a hold of you. So please make sure that you include all of that information. I know that some people are having trouble finding where to put that, but I promise you it exists. Every single one of those options has a place that you can write inside of because everybody does it every month. So it is there. You just have to look around for it. Worst case scenario, you have to email me your address and stuff. That does cause a lot of extra work on my end, but you know, you still can do that if you absolutely cannot find where to write it. And if you do have to communicate with me for any reason through email, please only use the fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com. It's in the description box below. I'm not even going to leave my other emails. If it gets sent to the social email, I won't see it. I just won't. That email gets inundated. So that's why the full spectrum email is there, because it's solely for orders. So please use that one. yeah, I think that is it. So I also have 2 color packs that I am like special doing for just this month. All of the money for these color packs are going to go to me being able to go meet the baby this month when the baby is born. Because we got to travel. We got to rent a car and travel, or, you know, fly, or whatever the case may be. And then, you know, to helping me set up the nursery, because the kids are relying on us for that. So, for those of you, by the way, who have donated or helped out with things on the baby registry, thank you so much. It's really helping out right now. We're working towards the stroller and car seat. We really, really appreciate it. You guys have helped out so much with it. Okay. Colorways. So, what do we start with? We'll start with the regular box. So if you do not want to see what it looks like, look away. Don't leave. I'll tell you when you can look back. Okay, so this one is called Firefly. I love this one so much. It's got lots of pretty colors in there. If you are visually impaired and you would like me to describe to you the colors that are in here, you can leave a comment below, or you can email me and I will tell you. This is the only time I don't explain what I'm showing out, because then it gives it away to everybody. But if you need that information, feel free to reach out. Now, there will be a color pack, a 6-color color pack that is the extended version of this. It will have every color that made this in it in a solid hank form. I don't have it made up already. I wasn't able to make it in time. I fought the time clock and lost. Okay, so the next one, this is the Birthstone, and this is Peridot. That is August's Birthstone, one of. So that is what this month's Birthstone looks like. Now, you can order these in fingering weight, DK weight, worsted weight. Fingering weight has 437 yards. DK weight has 200. The base I'm using right now has 231 yards. And then the Aran weight has 187 yards. 19.5 micron superwash merino. Okay, the color pack that I do have made, this is what it looks like. Now, this is a special nod to the baby. This is a clue as to what the baby's name is going to be, which will be revealed at the baby shower. This is called Desert Flower, and I cannot wait for you guys to find out what her name is. But there are 6 hanks in here, and it's $150. Shipping is included, again, unless you want to toss some shipping my way. But this is what it looks like. I wonder if this looks better over this way. Yeah, I think I like that better. Anyway, okay, so Desert Flower is one, and then an extended version of Firefly is the other one. They're both $150. They both have 6 hanks. And you can order those in fingering, DK, or worsted. So, okay, you can look now. Sorry guys, I am very tired, and I'm trying to get this out before I go live in like 15 minutes. I'm hoping I covered everything. I hope my rushing through everything didn't come across as rude. Bae, did you listen? Did I say everything?
Sounds like you did.
So the payments, the due date, how to pay, yardage, shipping date, all the information. I think I've done everything. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go. I will do another video showing. Woo! You still didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing. I will do another video showing the extended version of Firefly as the color pack, but you know, it's just those colors, you know, that you're seeing there, all 6 of them. So it's I don't know. Anyway, I have 8 already made of the Desert Rose. Everything else will be pre-order, so it will have the shipping date of September 1st. I do not have any of the Firefly one made, but I will be making those tonight and tomorrow and this weekend and stuff like that. So get those in. Those are also due by the 8th. It's a really short ordering window. I'm sorry, but I will be gone at the latter half of this month seeing the baby, so I'm getting all this done. I've been dyeing all this up early. Gonna try to get it shipped out early, so it's a shorter ordering window, but for the color packs anyway. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay weird. Come see me at the live. When you're seeing this, the live will already be going, but okay, love you so much. Goodbye.